All right, here we go with the newest stuff. Number one. So this is the rhythm I mentioned we're going to get into that we were building up to. So counting the whole 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Here's where it's definitely going to pay off, hopefully. So we got, again, that 3-4 time signature strumming pattern of the 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Laid out in a 4-4 time signature because we got 4 beats every bar. But this time we change chords each new bar. So the strumming pattern is still doing the 1 and 3, 1 and 3, but the chords do not change when the strumming pattern begins again. So now they change each bar. So that's what you got to be careful with here. And this is what makes this one extra tricky. So hopefully, with the work you've done and the counting in the 3-4 is going to carry over into this, make it a bit easier to handle. Because you could count it as 1 and 3, 4 and 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 4. You could do that. Or simplify it, just do 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So when you count it as the 1 and 3, the first chord will obviously be on the 1. And then that'll be when you say the and of 2. And then this will be when you say 3. So that will be on the 1, the and of 2, and this will be on the 3. And then that repeats on the next set, or the next half. So, count of 4, and then our special cheating count. 1. Remember, the strumming is always down, up, down. So once you're just locked into that strumming, it really helps get the changes better, or changes easier. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3 and 3, 1 and 3 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3, 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 done. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the magical 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good one to palm mute. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2. That's right, you were playing. Oh God, Jesus Saves last time. Is it really that chord though? I thought it was that chord. Fuck, I don't remember. Anyway. I just remembered, yeah, you played that, and I'm wearing a Slayer shirt today. All right, enough sidetracking. New rhythm for number 2. Use the octave shapes again. A bit of left to right movement, covering quite a bit of frets there. And every rhythm is the same. So this one we have beats 2 and 3. The downbeats of 2 and 3, we do not play on that. So we got more upstrokes in a row for number 2 than we have done so far. So this is where things start to get extra tricky because it gets much easier to drift those upstrokes into the oncoming downbeat. So we got to be careful of that going faster. Here we go. So what I mean by that is on a lot of multiple upstrokes in a row, what happens when it gets fast is people will end up going too slow and then their upstrokes happen when the metronome clicks. So instead of doing it in between the clicks, they end up playing it when it clicks. So you got to be careful of that. Here we go. 1 and 4, 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 1 and 4. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 4, and 4, 1 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 and 4. 180. 1, 2, 3, 4. $240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, number 3. Another new rhythm, and here the downbeats of 3 and 4. We're not playing on those, so missing the downbeats of 3 and 4. 61, 2 and 1, 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 2 and done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 1, 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oof. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right, any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again in your new videos.